Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon ranch Parmesan pasta using your pressure cooker. Any pressure cooker, Instant Pot, Ninja Foodi, whatever you got. I converted this from a stovetop recipe that I found on the Salty Marshmallow. Here are the ingredients that you'll be needing. First, let's start by cooking up 6 slices of bacon in your preheated pot. Once your bacon is brown and crisp, transfer it to a paper towel lined plate and set to the side. Now it's time to saute 4 cloves of garlic in that yummy bacon fat and then add in some chicken broth and milk. Now add in your angel hair pasta broken in half. Make sure your pasta is submerged in the liquid and seasoned with pepper. Now seal your pressure cooker and set to cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. While the pasta was cooking, I used my KitchenAid mini chopper to chop up 5 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Once the pasta has finished cooking, do a quick release of the pressure. Now it's time to stir the pasta and add in the remaining ingredients. Here I'm adding in the Parmesan cheese, followed by 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. Then I'll be adding in the sour cream, followed by the bacon. Once all the ingredients have been mixed in, you're good to go. It's time to serve it up. Doesn't this look delicious and so easy to put together? I served this up with that yummy honey garlic salmon that I shared the other day. Have you watched that video yet? If not, I'll link it above and below in the description box. So did you like this video? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you know the next time that I upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!